Um, I want to welcome you all back to Deriv Killer Strategy. So, towards the end of this year, we had a couple of issues, and there was not much trades drop in the group, even in our VIP group. Until we recently sorted it out. So, and the year has already come to an end. So, we're working hand in hand to ensure you guys are going to be profitable for the next year, because the next year is just around the corner, just 3 to 4 days, and in just 3 days time, and we've wrapped up this year. I would say this year was really great, because we were able to do so many things. We did a challenge of $500. We took it to $10,000. We did that. We did a challenge of $1,000. We took it to $20,000 this year. So we did so many challenges this year that we helped so many persons. We even did one of 300 that we took to $5,000. So many persons made so much profit from us this year, and even our signals, there was so much profit, towards before the year wrapped itself up, and even our free even our free signals that were dropping in the group from the beginning of the year. So many persons made so much profit. And as the year was about to wrap up, we had some issues with our accounts then, and that made us to stop posting trades and all that. And so many persons were still reaching us to us that what's going on. We missed your signals, we missed this and all that. So, but we thank God for everything. So I'm gonna be showing you guys this strategy. This is 29th day of this month. So, and already we're in 2026 already. So I'm gonna be showing you guys this strategy, and the aim of the strategy is to ensure you are profitable. We always bring strategies out to ensure you are making profit with it. So just back test it, it's working. So I'm just gonna be dropping just 4 trades with it. Just go to your smart trader. Go to your smart trader on Deriv. Go to your smart trader on Deriv. When you go to your smart trader on Deriv. Go to your smart trader on Deriv. Go to your smart trader. Go to your smart trader on Deriv. So when you go to your smart trader on Deriv, like this, smart trader on Deriv, then you pick V101S, Then when you pick V101S, you come here and click on no touch strategy. So you come to the duration, took 2 minutes. This is it, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You come to the minutes, you're not using ticks. It's 2 minutes. Then the barrier, you come here and make it 3. The barrier should be 3. Barrier should be 3. So if you are investing $10 in this $10 stake, you're making 10.91 cents. So you see, the brain behind this is to have a target for the day. You can go 10 times in a day. You can go, don't overtrade it. Although I'm going to be showing you the trick, the trick for it. I'm going to be showing the trick for it, but don't overtrade it. Yes, it will work for you guys. You're going to be making so much profit, but don't overtrade it, guys. Don't overtrade it. So what are we going to check now? Okay, this is V1S. I want to go over to charts.deriv.com. So this will help us to get a clear view of what the market is actually doing at this moment. This is going to help us to get a clear view of what the market is doing at this moment. So I'm going to be looking for a sell, guys. I'm going to be looking for a sell. So you can see here, the price has actually hit the structure here. You can see here, price has actually hit the structure. So, so she expect price to come down at least to this level, you know. And if you can see here, you can see that it is a very strong downtrend. This is the first point you took note of, you know. It's a very strong downtrend. So I'm gonna wait for a sort of retracement. So I'm always looking for a sell. I'm looking for a sell. I'm looking for a sell. But it is the market is buying now. So we're gonna wait a little. We're gonna wait a little. So we're gonna wait a little. So it's buying now. I'm gonna wait a little. Let's hold on. When this price comes down for sort of a retracement, we can go in for the touch, no touch. Okay, we can come in now. So we can come in now. So you come here and you click no touch. No touch. Then let's say this. Say this. So guys, it's very easy. So into this, ensure that you look for a no touch market. So if ensure you take your time, because your time is 2 minutes. Your time is 2 minutes. Ensure you take your time and look for a no touch market. You know, and once price starts coming down, always wait for a downtrend. Always wait for a downtrend. Don't go for an uptrend. Don't go for an uptrend. You understand? Always look for a downtrend. Even if it later buys, there's no problem. Even if it later buys, there's no problem. Just ensure you look for a downtrend. Just ensure you look for a downtrend. So that's just the logic behind it, you know. So once price starts coming down, you go for it. But from my, before entering this trade, I knew that price have actually taken another structure. You understand? So what prices will those price will come back for a consolidation or a retracement, then price might decide to go up. So that's why I actually took this trade. But if you don't understand that logic, you can use the trend line. Though I'm going to be showing you how to do that, and you won't lose a trade. You can actually draw a trend line. So one price hits that trend line, and price drops, and there is a sort of a sell. Then you can pick your trade. Then you can pick your trade. You can see we actually won this contract. But I'm going to be showing you guys something. So I'm going to be showing you guys something. Watch. Understand? So let me show you guys something. So for me, I like investing on my stake into rates. And I invest on my stake into it. So I'm going to be showing you guys something. Say, I'm going to be showing you guys something. I'll do something like this. I knew there was a structure there though. I'll do something like this. I'll do something like this. So you can see this. So if you can see, even with the drop, okay, the price have actually broken it. So we're gonna wait a little. We're gonna wait a little. So this sell you see here, immediately price hit this our trend line and price came down. That's why I actually took that sell, and coupled with this high has actually been this structure was actually taking out. I just knew that price would actually come down to do a sort of retracement, you know. So we're just waiting here. Once price rejects this point again, we can go in for another sell. So you can use your trend line, guys. You can also use the zone. Use the zone. I don't have time for that now. So once there's another rejection here, we'll go in. Going on this another, but if there's no rejection, we have to wait. Someone might say, "Oh, the returns is very low. What if I lose my stake?" If you follow the rules, you won't lose your stake. Let me show you guys something. Okay, that's broken it. So wait, let me show you guys something. Okay, cross. So you see something like this point. Yeah, there's something here. Let me use this dot. Okay, we'll go in now. Going for. I'm going in. Someone might say, "What if I lose my? What if I lose my stake?" You won't lose your stake. You won't lose your stake. You won't lose your stake. Why you won't lose that stake? I will show you the reason why you lose your stake. You understand? If you look very well here, if you look very well here, you can see this price here actually. You see this price here? It actually sold. The next price actually bought. You understand? Allah did not break the up barrier. You are safe. So even with the next candle buying, as long as the next candle does not beat the open of the price, so you are safe. Like in this scenario now, we have won this trade. So price can actually turn bullish or bullish. Next candle can actually turn bullish, but you are safe. So it does not really matter that you say we have won this trade. Okay, it does not really matter that um the next candle started buying, but Atlanta does not pump and take the high of the previous candle, guys. Yeah, very, 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 very safe. So this is the new trick. Some persons might be asking for this touch, no touch strategy video. Okay, I said, okay, let's do this. So I'll be doing another video on it, a detailed video for you guys. So this is a very, very easy way at which you can make profit. You can see this was the high of the this was the high of the entry price, the high price did not actually beat it. You can see we actually won that trade. You can see the second candle came up later. So guys, it's very, very easy. It's not difficult. Just follow this simple strategy and make consistent profit from the market. So I'm going to be telling you about our 30 days challenge. I'm going to be telling you about 30 days challenge. So this video will not be too long. I'm going to be telling you about the 30 days challenge. The 30 days challenge is a challenge that we take $100 to $2,400. Well, we're doing it for years now. So we did it 3 years back, which was 2023. We did it 2024. We did it 2022, 2023, 2024, and it has been successful for 3 years now. It has been successful. So many persons are always waiting for the 30 days challenge. Let's enter this market here. Too many persons are always waiting for a 30-day challenge. Let's enter this market. Enter this market here. So So many persons are always waiting for the 30 days challenge, So, but unfortunately this year, because of the issues we had, we could not keep up with the December because there was a lot of stress. So we just let the December to go for the first time in 3 years. So 2023, 2022, 2023, 2024. This is this is supposed to be the fourth year rather. Sorry. So we didn't do it now this year because of one or two issues. So we have taken it to February. January, there's a lot of preparation and all that. So I've taken it to February and it's gonna be good because the year is just starting and you're kicking into a lot of profit. You can use $200, you can use $500. It's up to you. It's up to you. So I'm gonna be showing you as last year and last 2 years. Last year, last 2 years. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys about it. So just like this. Okay, we've actually won this trade. We've won this trade actually. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys how it works. So for this touch no touch, this is your trend line. And wait for a long week rejection or wait for a zone rejection. As long as the price does not beat the previous high of the candle, the first candlestick, and its first candlestick has to be bearish. It has to be bearish. It does not have to be a bullish candlestick. It's very easy. We have actually won this trade. Please watch it. So if you use a $10 and go for 10 trades, you're making almost $10. You're making back your $10. And it's very safe. You won't lose your trade. Except you did not do it well. So if you use $100 and go for 10 trades, you're making back your $100. So it's very easy. So all you need to do is just to be very calculative and know what you're doing. So let me show you guys the challenge. Right, this is 2023. This is 2023 when we started the challenge, and there was no day lost actually, and it just profit. Yeah, see this the challenge always holds December. It always holds December. It always holds December. So any day we don't see, we buy crash and we sell boom, and you'll be pre-informed before that day, before that day, you know, before that day, that's it. So it is there's something that it gives you so much profit. So but it's done every December. It's done every December, but for some reasons we're moving it to first week of February. So but now we're going to be doing two challenges together. For those who don't have $100, we're going to be doing $100 to 2-4. For those who have $50, gonna be from $50 to $8,000 in 30 days. So let me show you guys last year. So this was last year. Although so many persons have left the group, some persons are still dormant in the group. The group is no longer existing. So this was last year. The challenge, we were able to hit our target last year. So it's always done December. Reasons being, we want you to start the new year with so much profit, guys. We want you to start the new year with so much profit. So, but we're not gonna be doing it this December. So I'm moving it to February, first week of February. We're moving into first week of February. So first week of February, we're gonna start this, and we're gonna kickstart the year with it. So it's not gonna be in January. We're looking at January just like 3 4 days from now, but we're not gonna do it in January. So it's gonna be first week of February, on the 1st of February till I think 28th. But enter we're gonna enter March. For February, it's not complete. The days are not complete. So you're going to 1st of February till maybe 2nd or 3rd of March. And probably if there's a day that there's no feasible trade, we can skip it. Because it's not compulsory that we must trade every day. We'll wait once to see the setup, and that's just it, guys. So let's go back to the video. So guys, that was it for this. I hope you learned something. We took 3 trades, and I showed you how to pick it. So what I need you to do is just to backtest. Use this configuration I gave you. It's very, very, well, I've been using this for long. So you can use this to double your money. If you have $500, you can just use it to double your money. But before you do that, ensure you go to your charts.tradiv.com and open that V10. On a V10, let me show you guys. And see, this is it. This is charts.deriv.com. So ensure you go to your V10 1x, V10 1x. This is chart.deriv.com. And V10 1x. And you can see we're already on a downtrend. So this downtrend is very impactful. You can see it. You can just be taking your trades. So even if let me say if someone enters this trade from here, from this point, from this point here, this bullish candlestick, and you can see the next candlestick that came did not actually beat this bullish candlestick. You actually want the trade, guys. You want the trade. So as long as it is not close above it, forget it. Yes, as long as it does not close above it, so you want the trade. The same thing applies here. You can see here, there's a bearish candlestick here. As long as it not beats the previous price in the next opening, it's 2 minutes, you will win the trade. So that should be the end of this. So I wish you guys compliment of the season, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. Stay safe out there. Thank you. See you in the next video.